Hey y'all, it's your girl. I got the packages from Amazon. I got the other two Azure Beauty gel nail polish kits. This is the one that came in a previous shipment, and the other two have come. So what I am going to do is open the packages and organize them and get them ready to show. Here are the boxes. They all came sealed in plastic wrap. This one looks roughed up though. Do you see the crease in there? That one looks a little roughed up. This one came in excellent condition. This is the one from yesterday. These two came today. Let me go ahead and open the boxes. It says Azure Beauty Gel Nail Polish, new formula, HEMA-Free, TPO-Free. 6 pieces, 15 mils, 0.5 fluid ounces per bottle. And it does have on the side, beauty made simple. And I think that's it. Oh, little emblem here, looks like a swan. And then on the back, this is what is included. There's ingredients, directions, storage, warning. Got some symbols here as well, where it was manufactured, designed in the USA, made in the People's Republic of China. After you've opened it, 12 months, don't eat it, okay? Don't eat it. Here's the barcode. So this one is light red. It was manufactured in 2026 and expires in 2029. This one, same box, barcode. This one says pink nail polish. Last one here, it says lemon yellow nail. Manufactured March of 2026, expires March of 2029. Manufactured in February and expires in 2029. And then we already looked at this one. Ooh, very pretty. It reminds me of something that you would use a marker, like a coloring book drawing. And this says Purera, care in every color. And then it's placed in the box like this. So let's take this out first. It says neon shot in a heart shape. This is like cardstock. Updated formula, HEMA-Free, TPO-Free, and holographic. So you know I have to do this for as long as I can. Yay, swatches. It says here, Azure Beauty, beauty made simple. This is super cute. Look at this. The swatches, and this is with a shiny top coat, and this is with a matte. And those are the numbers, and they have names too. So this one has electric, brat, spicy, crush, daze, and rave. These are gorgeous. On the back here, it says color and care in one for your everyday self-love. We create easy routines and lasting comfort, so your hands always feel cared for. Beauty made simple. Very nice. So these are the colors. I will open them up again and sort of hold them here so that you can see. Neon shot. User manual. So it looks like it's in a bunch of different languages. Let me find my native tongue of English. So it has the application guide. Yes, it tells you what you need to do, and it also has information on how to remove storage, and warning. So I guess you can take this whole box apart and then color it in, an adult coloring book. Very, very nice. The box construction is pretty durable. They describe it in the descriptions as a gift box, and I'll read that in a second. I'm going to store my nail files in here, or my tools. Wow, this is so chic. They all look to be in good condition. I feel like this is time sensitive, so I will make every effort to edit this video as quickly as possible so that I can get it up and provide the links, because the price on these is phenomenal. These are full-size gel polishes that are regularly priced $19.99, and for this set I paid $6.99. The description is Azure Beauty HEMA-Free 15 ml neon gel polish set. 6 colors, same color bottles, neon bright baby pink, full-size nail gel with swatch card, long lasting, soak off UV LED, formula for DIY and salon manicures. Gift ready, one coat full coverage, smooth even color in a single stroke, HEMA-Free and TPO-Free, low odor, 14-free, vegan. Neon Shot, an electric lineup of neon shades that spark instant energy, from lime glow to hot pink and cool aqua. This palette is playful, bold, and made to light up every look. And they are in the package in the same order as the swatch. So I'm just gonna take a couple of them out. So on the lid is the name of the color. The swatch is the same color it looks like as the polish. So that's very, very nice. Very nice for those of us like me who don't like to do swatches. For some unknown reason, I like to paint every other nail. I do not like to do swatches. This one is Crush. Let me give you a tour of the bottle. So you have this bottle here. It says Azure Beauty, Purera, gel nail polish, HEMA and TPO free. Sorry for the glare. I'm moving it around so that I can avoid the glare. 15 mils, 0.5 fluid ounces. Whoa. Whoa. You can see in there. And there's the polish. That's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at the bottles. The attention to detail is impeccable. That's this one. It has warning information on the back. And then we've got electric. These are beautiful. I am stunned with the beauty of these. Look at that. I'm gonna smell it, and hopefully it is low odor. Why can't I say that word? Low odor, like they say it is. I can smell it, you know. It smells not like traditional nail polish, but it does have a smell to it, not too chemically. It doesn't smell like flowers or fruit or anything like that, but it's not that bad. Next up is the pink. Oh my gosh, it's a different shape. This colorway is called Heart Blush. Again, this is cardstock. My love language, me. Very pretty. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Look at that, it's got like a sheen to it. Very nice. And the swatches. They call this one pink. It says Rose Latte. And it looks like this one has numbers for the colors, but there aren't any names. This doesn't look like the picture at all. I don't think this one's right. Hold a second. Okay, so this says Heart Blush, but it says Rose Latte here, and online it says Rose Latte. So I'm guessing this one is really gonna be the Heart Blush. There's some kind of a mix-up, but that's okay. I mean, it's fine. I did order this as well, so you know, it's fine. But anyway, these are the colors. They're like neutrals, right? You've got your cream and your pink, peach, light pink and peach. I pulled the lightest and the darkest. So there's nothing on the lid of this one, but the bottle shows the color as well, and there's already a swatch card, so it's fine with me. Kind of close to the bottle color on the bottle. There's the number there, so that's fine. As long as it matches. Let's check this one. Yes, the number is there and the number is there. Beautiful. Let's have a look. Lovely. Just like the swatch. The same key points apply. It's HEMA-Free, TPO-Free, low odor, vegan, 14 free, there's one coat full coverage, smooth even color in a single stroke, color matched bottles. This set was regularly priced, or it says typical price, $16.99. I paid $7.99. The last box, Heart Blush, same angel wings. And this is the colorway for this one. Heart Blush, beautiful. Exactly what I ordered. These are the colors. We'll look at these three. As you can see, that corresponds. This is 31. Beautiful. And 32. And if you look closely, it does have a jelly element to this one, whereas these are creams. I can see them right off the bat, creams. I'll get a better idea when I open up this bottle, but this one is jelly looking. Whoa. Super pretty. These are gorgeous, man. And it matches the swatches. Excellent. I don't think I said this one is regularly priced, or typical price is $16.99. I paid $7.99. Also, the information with the link for these products is posted on my, I guess it's called a community tab, or my post tab, and you can just jump right over there, click on the link, and purchase the items that way. This is delicious. Wow. And this final one, which is 32. Yes, it's a jelly, because you can see on the stick. but it is saturated in beautiful tones. Wow, I scored, you guys. These are amazing. So let's take a closer look at these. These do not look like jelly to me at all. The neons. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So stunning. I can't stop looking at them. Here's the pink again. Up close and personal. And I feel like it is reading on my camera phone like it is in real life. I don't see a discrepancy. After I've had a chance to use these, I will likely use these on press-on nails that I make, and I will go back and make a comment in my video, my opinion of the product. But just off the top, I don't smell much of an odor. I appreciate the pre-made swatch cards more than you will ever know. I appreciate them. Gift box is super duper nice as well. This is giving quality and luxury at an affordable price. I have zero complaints. Zero. All right, you guys, please subscribe, like the video, leave me a comment. If you have a suggestion on any products or tools that you would like to see me purchase, let me know. Put it in the comment section. All right, you guys, thank you so much. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye. So let me see what was on this side. I thought I saw something. Oh, it's not in English. This is something else, another language, but it said application guide, so I thought it was English. Is that Italian? Yeah, I think so. There's Spanish and Italian, I believe. Is there French? Wait a minute. Y'all, I get fixated on the wrong thing. Okay, so this is English. This is German. This is, I don't know, French, Spanish, Arabic. I'm not sure which specific dialect.